Go out with. The idiom, go out with, is commonly used in English to refer to dating or being in a romantic relationship with someone. It implies spending time together and engaging in activities as a couple. This phrase is most often used to describe the initial stages of a romantic relationship or when someone is considering dating someone else. Here are a few examples to help illustrate the meaning of go out with. 1. Example: Samantha is going out with Mark. Explanation: this means that Samantha and Mark are dating or in a romantic relationship. They are spending time together and getting to know each other with the intention of exploring a potential romantic connection. 2. Example: I'm going out with Sarah tonight. Explanation: in this case, the speaker is expressing that they have plans to spend time with Sarah, possibly on a date or engaging in a romantic activity. It implies that there is a romantic interest between the speaker and Sarah. 3. Example: he asked me to go out with him, but I'm not sure if I'm interested. Explanation: here, the speaker is indicating that someone has asked them on a date or to start a romantic relationship. However, the speaker is unsure if they want to pursue it further or not. It's important to note that the phrase, go out with, is not only limited to the initial stages of a romantic relationship. It can also be used to describe an ongoing relationship or dating someone for an extended period. The context and the way it is used in a sentence will determine the exact meaning,